What I'm about to show you isn't going to be pleasant. It wasn't for me. It's the direct result of abuse and neglect to an innocent bird that didn't deserve it. This could have all easily been avoided. Is it?
It's a piece of food.
Is it? It's food? You're sure it's food?
I thought I seen something.
Aria, I'm sorry. Stop scraping your beak. You think how are we gonna stop him from doing that?
It's probably starting to heal already or something. It's itching.
How could that be? It's only been 10 minutes, Brad.
Something feels different to him. That's why he's doing it.
Boy, he just can't buy himself a break, can he? This bird did not deserve that. Okay, so if your bird's beak breaks off, the only thing we can figure out to do now is to call the vet, ask the vet for an analgesic or something for, you know, their beak for the pain. Immediately, you're going to need to probably change their food. Bananas, soft eggs. We changed to the smaller, tiny pellets of Harrison's, which he seems to be eating. That's an organic bird pellet that's got a lot of vitamins and nutrients in it so that he won't lose any weight or anything. And we will discuss with the vet to see what else can be done for him. You hang in there, Aria. Aria's eye being removed is the result of avian pox, which Amazons are susceptible to. That's a result of a vitamin A deficiency. If Aria had not had a vitamin A deficiency, he probably would not have gotten avian pox. There we go. Very good, very easily. This happened because these birds were left in a room by themselves in 14 by 14 by 18 inch cage for years, 16 years to be exact. Food was just dumped in the top of the cage, and so they were just eating the food out of the bottom of the cage. Water was put in there and left in there until it was almost virtually dry. So things were changed sporadically. It was not a clean environment, it was a lonely environment, and there's an easy way to fix this. This is unfair, and it's not comfortable for anybody. Aria's nostril also has grown shut due to a vitamin A deficiency. The vet went back and tried to open it almost a half an inch into his nostril cavity and was still not able to open it up, so he will never be able to breathe out of that nostril, so he's very susceptible to respiratory conditions.
Look at you. Hi, baby. Aria. Was he letting you rub his beaky? What a sweet boy.
You the booty babe.
he's got a whole bunch of little pin feathers there on the back of his neck. Look at them.
Look at how he's laying his head down for me to rub.
What a baby.
But in the end, it was clear you didn't have what it takes to stay in the competition. Congratulations, Anne. You're still in the run. You'll be Britain's best top model. I'm sorry to be able to. So I said.
No, look at your lover scratches. I love a scratch. You just don't
here, then we won't be taking my eyes out.
The girls.
Hello.
She says this to you?
Hello.
Aria. He's a good boy. Yes, he is.
He's a little nervous.
I don't want him to take off from there.
Yeah, because we've kept him work.
Good boy.
Is
Yeah.
that enough time out, or do you want to spend one
He's
more?
having fun. He's doing fine.
You got to sit on her shoulder, didn't you? Did you do that a long time ago? Huh?
I think he liked it.
My ear didn't like it.
Oh.
So, who's going to volunteer, or am I just going to pick one of you up to be the first?
He's a little chatterbox tonight, ain't he? Can you kiss?
Give a kiss? Give a kiss?
I'm not going to lie and say no. But
She's a pretty baby.
Yeah.
You got some new feathers coming in on your chest.
Sure does. Here at Flying Colors, we use as our proper diet for our birds Harrison's organic pellets, which is supplemented, of course, by fresh vegetables, staying with the dark greens like broccoli, spinach, peas, cut green beans. We also include carrots, and sweet potatoes are very good for them. And in addition to that, we also supplement fruits, and those would include oranges, apples, bananas. Seed in itself is only added as a supplement. It is not part of their regular diet, so it does not contain the nutrients that they need. So you want to make sure that you try to use organic foods so that they get all the vitamins that they need. Don't let this happen to your bird. So if you have a pet that you can no longer care for, that you no longer want, there are many rescues across the country that are willing to help you at no charge to you. Surrendering a bird to a rescue due to an emergency living condition or a handicap is a positive move, not just for the bird but also for yourself. You know you've done something to protect your bird so that you can guarantee that it's moving to a situation or an environment that's an improvement and not finding a place that may be unsuitable by just anybody.